Today's episode on Design Seat, we will be bringing you through a majestic 3,500 square feet penthouse with distinguished oriental fusion taste with extraordinary details and craftsmanship located at the center peak of Damansara. This project has won us multiple international interior design awards from Milan to Germany and all around Southeast Asia. With high ceiling volume, with wide and spacious corridors designed with distinctive elements, this project shouts luxury from every angle of perspective. My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. If you're not subscribed to us yet, please do so now and click on the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. Get yourself in the loop of more inspiring and educational tips of the interior design and architecture scene. This 3,500 square feet penthouse comes with 4 fairly sized ensuite bedrooms. Having a clear division of tucking all the private rooms on the end keeps the home clearly divided by its private and communal space. As you walk through the grandeur double volume corridor that leads to the bedrooms, a graceful statement is displayed alongside the stretch of the pathway, with a feature divider that covers the entire full-height glass customized in refined black powder coating steelworks. This graceful display resembles the heart of the home. In the conceptual language, it sums up the word family. Stepping into the master bedroom, the feature headboard design with a circular shape with laser cutting steel details resembles a window of bamboo garden. Paired with prominent imported marble on the sides, this layering of refined steelworks creates an alluring depth to turning this headboard feature into a focal masterpiece. Having the privilege of having such a high ceiling, it is strongly recommended to incorporate motorized curtains for your convenience. In line with the quality of value of the property, materials cannot be undermined. Rose gold inlays were inserted piece by piece within a customized marble TV wall. This bespoke craftsmanship proudly presents itself effortlessly. The color combination follows through the walk-in closet. With dark walnut veneer, highlighted with backlighting in the cabinet, highlights the amiability of the carcass detail, coupled with high-quality folding door mechanisms in customized bronze finish. Unlike the few bedrooms where we maximize the headboard all the way up to the ceiling, in this bedroom we squared out the headboard with a customized steel 4-poster bed structure which is subtly relatable to the pixelated headboard design. The distinctive combination of a renowned Taiwanese artwork was reprinted on a fabric and recreated in pixels, paired with the walnut veneer frame around with rose gold inlay. Taking advantage of the high ceiling, the kids' bedroom is designed with a gable form that is complete with eccentric details. Rose gold inlay paired with soft cushion boards and bronze mirror, creating a quirky touch. This headboard makes the kids' bedroom easily convertible into a king-size bedroom when both the mattresses are packed together. The entire unit has a 16-feet ceiling height clearance. With such high ceilings, it could be rather tricky to design things proportionally. The whole design intention was to create a sleek and elegant setting, taking advantage of the full-height windows, allowing natural light that could stream across the space. Hence, motorized blinds were applied as an alternative to curtains for the general space. The TV feature wall complements the penthouse with its sleek vertical timber strips that culminates the high ceiling volume. A Ming's dividing wall blocks out the living hall from being immediately distracted as you enter the unit. The dividing wall is tastefully designed with a combination of rich materials. Watercast marble alongside with special ordered paintings specifically ordered for this client, surrounded by copper steel mesh details, which highlights the diversity of materials combination at its best. The dry kitchen was turned into a grand focal that stages itself within the entire floor plan. Designed functional, yet with an irregular twist of shape and form, making it stand out as a conversational statement within the communal space. The installation of such opulent features wasn't made easy, especially when the property is floating in the sky. Large statements and furniture were not possible to be mobilized due to the lift restriction. Hence, dismantling and reinstalling strategies of high carpentry and steelworks needed to be smartly thought of. Not to mention, the mobilizing of large furniture needed to be precise and handled with care. Every piece of material was a unique piece on its own, with an exorbitant price tag. Hence, there wasn't any room for errors. The occupational hazard of an interior designer isn't when the drawing is completed, the execution of the entire project, making it flawless and smooth sailing, making sure the final outcome of the project turns out close to what was proposed. All this dedication and passion is what turns a simple project concluding to an Opulent award-winning masterpiece. My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. We hope you enjoyed today's episode and please subscribe to us and stay in the loop of more of our upcoming exciting episodes. Thank you for watching.